If your heart not turn good, you're not turn good. And you're gonna get up and call them names like Sledgehammer and Johnny Bravo and all these things. When you taking knife left, right, and center to look good, but you still not look good. And your heart dirty. You know, and then people sit down and cheer her on in the nonsense that she's doing to these females. And she just feel lost. That's why she's doing it. She's trying to find her way into somebody else's shadow. That's why she's doing it. And another thing I saw that I want to talk about is the way how I see most Jamaican on most platform. I'm not talking down on Jamaican now because I love my Jamaican people. I'm crazy about you all. I love the dance. I love everything. I am Jamaican myself and I have to love you no matter who you are, good, bad, and the ugly. I love all of you. But I'm just saying this because I see something that is going on with our own Jamaican people. I go on like somebody else's platform and I see where Jamaican people is calling other people, look how big, look how this, look how that. And me, of all person, I know the street of Jamaica. I mean, know a woman walk around with big belly. Jamaican people never used to talk certain way about nobody. I never know racism when I was in Jamaica. Never know nothing like that. Nobody not talk down for nobody, no matter how nobody stay, nobody not talk down for nobody like that. And nowadays I saw females from Jamaica body shaming other females. You know? Like, why you all do that? Don't pick up the style of other people. Like, you hear other people saying things and you pick up the style of other people. All human beings have different genetics. People born to stay a certain kind of way. You think that it's okay to get up and talk about a female that is oversized. God make all of us beautiful and wonderfully made. He make all of us in our own image. He make all of us for a reason. He make all of us to bear certain pressure, you know. And I'm speaking right now about one certain individual, and I'm not gonna call her name because people have a problem with me doing so. But the things that I see people going around and doing and saying, it's wrong, it's wrong, it's wrong. Nobody can tell me, say me big enough because I love big. We were born differently. Everybody was born in their own image that God need them to be in. And when we get up, especially we as Jamaican people, where we never used to stay so. We never used to stay so. When I was growing up, nobody no make fun of nobody. And now because of the plastic surgery and all of these things where most of uno get up and do, most of the female them get up and do, then go out and then do plastic surgery to catch up them body, then go make fun of the next person. You know, I see people go out there do their boobs and do their bottom, and then they're gonna call people sledgehammer, and they're gonna call people names and how they're wearing this and they're wearing that. You wouldn't go do breasts and you wouldn't go do bottom if your body wasn't damaged. The only time people take cars to the garage is when there's damage on it. You know, you can't get up and call people name out of their name because you go lay down under the knife. Eh? People are beautiful in their own image. And some people will even go under the knife and go take cut yesterday and everywhere to fix up them, still not look good. Because if you have an outer appearance and your heart not clean, if your heart not stay good, you don't stay good none at all. Eh? If your heart not turn good, you not stay good none at all. You could have take knife and Botox all over your body. If your heart not turn good, you not turn good. So we want to go get up and call people all kind of names because God made them in a certain form and image. And they have better art than you. They go places and they do things for people. And they are nice to people. You know, they're not disrespectful and all of that. And you're going to get up and call them names like Sledgehammer and Johnny Bravo and all these things. When you taking knife left, right, and center to look good, but you still not look good. And your art dirty. Eh? I don't like those things. Me not like it. You know, and then people sit down and cheer her on in the nonsense that she's doing to these females. People sit down and cheer her on. You can't just sit down and cheer people on to body shame and bully people and all of these things. And she was like, oh, my body shame her, she try to lose weight. All those things she has said. And if me come on here and they play one gospel music, Facebook block me. And Facebook don't listen to this female body shaming people. Very intelligent too. Because she says she has speak proper English and she has speak which part Facebook people them can understand what she has say out her mouth. And she talk out her mouth say, my body shaming woman, and she go and say she lose weight. But she look like Sledgehammer. And people sit down on their comment section and cheer her right along. Right along. Because those people don't do her anything. I never see those people on the internet messing with anybody. Never. What one person is trying to do to many different women. Women that love themselves. Women that appreciate the body that they're created in. Women that married with them body whatever way it is. Women that have happy life. Women that have a good, nice, clean relationship, a good marriage. Women that live in clean, nice house. Women that don't have no dirty backyard and all these things. And you get up and you have your backyard to clean up and you have other things to do. And your car maybe want to clean out and all of these things. And you come on the internet and you cuss and you cuss and you go on and you go on and you go on every day. Eh? God is watching. God is watching all the female that come on the internet and mess with people because of ulterior motive. Things where them can't get over. Things where them can't get past. Things where them can't understand about themselves. Maybe them can't understand how them can be successful as certain people can't deal with in their own household. They want to come out on the internet and tell you how to live. Everybody with the support her in our foolishness coming out say followers jump from one page to the other and maybe some of them are over here. You alright, love? I want you all to take it back to tell that lady to stop it. You don't need to encourage her to cut it out. It's not right. It's not godly. And sometimes God show people sign when they not take heed. You know? And the things that we are worrying about these days, it's nonsense. You're going to worry about a person that is grown, living their own life, but they're a little bit, they're fluffy than you. You're going to worry about that? And the people that are fluffy, when they dress really nice. And you that doing all of these things, you can't even put yourself together properly. And then you get up every day and you say, oh, you're tearing me down and you're tearing down my business and you're this and you're that. Your own mouth tearing on your business. Because my mother always tell me that your mouth will take away your blessing. Your own mouth will take away your blessing. The way you speak about others. The way you speak about people, the way you mock and jeer people, Nobody don't want you to be their friend. Nobody don't want to be a customer of you. Nobody don't want to sit and listen to you. No people with sense don't want to sit and listen to all that nonsense. No people of class, no people of good character don't want to sit down and hear you cussing out another female. Don't want to sit down and hear you body shaming another female. You know? But because you are so uncomfortable, that's why you do it. Because it's only people that is not comfortable with the way God made them, and it's not comfortable with the way they look. Those are the people that go and do the knife. And I'm not talking against nobody that do no surgery or no this or that. I'm just saying that the people that cuss people about how they look while they are doing the knife is because they are uncomfortable as well. Because I don't see no sense in what you're doing. I don't see no sense in what you're doing. And I think Facebook is a piece of work when Facebook allow bullyism and body shaming and insult and all these things on the website. And when you're trying to post something positive like a gospel song or something, they try to take away your page, or they try to block you because you're playing a gospel song. But you allow people that is body shaming others to go ahead with it, and it's okay. How is it gonna be better when every day you get up with the same nonsense? When it's not one person you're tearing down, it's the other. Trying to tear down successful people. All I'm saying is the people that is supporting those type of lifestyle need to give it up. Give it up. Need to realize that we were born different. Need to realize that all of us were made in a special way because God wants us that way. I remember before I have children, I was a skinny girl. I was a skinny, tall girl, 6 feet tall. And I'm getting older, and I'm going down, because right now I'm 5'11". I'm not 6 feet anymore. And I remember I never have a fat stomach. I didn't even have breasts. You know? And having my children, I gained weight. Most female, they gain pounds during pregnancy, and it's like none of these people not thinking about those things. It's not all of us as female have children and go back to the size that we was before. So I don't know who we they follow and why we take up that mentality, but it's not right. It's ungodly. It's not right, and you all need to stop it. We always make fun in our own Jamaican way, but we not take it for the beat down nobody. We never used to beat down anybody with those nonsense. And I don't know where you all go and pick that up, but you all need to go put it down. Oh, you're tearing down my business. You're tearing down your own business. You're tearing down your own business. Because whatever you say out of your mouth, people on there listen to you. And when they listen down there, say, me no want to have nothing to do with this woman and me. I think I could have named for him. You know, say it in your face. But they said it. And she just feel lost. That's why she's doing it. She's trying to find her way into somebody else's shadow. That's why she's doing it. And I see some people come on my Facebook page talking about me wanted Donna to call my name to build my page. Listen, I know my name. And I know you all know my name because I speak my name on here. And I don't need nobody to call my name for nothing. So why do I need one person to call my name to make me grow? I'm grown already. I don't call nobody name for any bad reason. And the people that is calling people names and call them names out of their names, guess what? You are not going to tell them that they calling people names and they this and they that. You're telling me that care about this person that I'm calling her name. You're telling me that's not hating on this person. You're telling me that love this person. You're telling me that mean nothing but good for this person. You're telling me that come on here and say that person motivate me. You're telling me that I'm calling her name because I'm looking for something. Why you don't go on the people page that call her name and call her names out of her names to tell them that they don't need to call her name? I will call somebody out if I see them acting a certain kind of way, and I will call them out, and I don't care. But I don't come on here to tear down anybody. I don't come on here to tear down nothing that anybody is doing. If I can't be a part of the solution, then I don't want to be a part of the problem. You understand what I'm saying? And I try my best to help whoever asks me for help, like help with their page, to set up their page or whatever. I try my best in that area to help anyone that's trying to make $1 from their Facebook page. I try my best to help them so they can do so.